This is not a dream.
Hi guys, it's me again, Mikats TV. I want to update my channel, Mikats TV guys. So here guys, I'm here in front of you to show what a video to do. I wanna do now a video, some tutorial about push it. So I wanna change my push it in outside of this home. I want to change it by the push it of that have by the way guys, some hold my video because of some calling. So you know guys, if you think I am trying to speaking an English language, because simply I wanna do and I wanna practice my English language guys. So I wanna do what how I speak language English. By the way guys, we continue about post it to change my post it to change into a post it with black. So I wanna show you the post it with black. So wait lang. So here guys, post it. This post it is have a lock. It's better to install in outside of our house or home. So this is the post it guys with lock. So this is the lock guys. Yeah. If you want to go or I want to lock, just insert here and push here and turn around like that. So this is a beautiful this outside push it to do in our home for safety like that, for safety to someone to children or to open someone like that. If you go and if there is no man in your home, so your post it outside is always safety and always safe. They never open it without this. So this is better for to install it. So of course we have a Teflon to put there in this thread to fix it. So by the way guys, this is very cheap. I buy it in online shop like Lazada, Timo, Shopee, TikTok. Just you buy guys and just shop it. And by the way guys, don't forget to follow me and subscribe and please press button and the notification bell para of course to notify my all videos. If you like my video guys, don't forget to share guys and like. So let's go guys, we change our post to the outside our home, on my home. So this is the bits for outside. So now guys, here guys, it's outside my home. So this is my post it outside. So I wanna fix my videos and this is my post it guys. So you look it's better to change this for opposite with black. So by the way guys, so this is a front of anybody's outside people, so it's better to change it to make it save for save money, to save for safety for our push it. So here guys, I just fix it. Yeah, ayun guys, dito guys, kailangan lang natin na ayusin ng maigi guys. Lagyan natin ng teflon para hindi siya tumagas. Kailangan walang leak. Kaya ayun guys, kasi ito guys, nasa labas. Pag umaalis tayo, hindi natin alam kung sino-sino lang ang magbubukas. So it's better to change it with opposite with black. So this is the way I put on teflon guys to tighten it. That's all guys. Finished guys to installing a faucet with black. So that's all guys. So of course now I wanna say goodbye and thank you for watching this video. So comment section guys. So how about I speaking English? So how about my English to speak? And just I'm practicing guys. So now I wanna say to I hope that you have you can get and you learn about ideas how to change a post sheet about work at home. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe guys. Bye bye. Just comment below guys about my speaking English, how to I speak English. So by the way I wanna say to I'm just practicing my English. So thank you, bye bye.